In today's world, especially in today's mobile world, there are ads everywhere. Have you ever wondered how this all works and how to get your own profits out of it? Hello, my name is Thomas. In today's video, we're going to talk about the topic, what is an ad network? We're going to cover the basics and we will also share the most popular ad networks with you within one of our blog posts. How does an ad network work? Actually, an ad network connects publishers with advertisers. A publisher is somebody who has already an established app or game, meaning a lot of people are opening up the app or a game on a daily basis. This means there is a lot of traffic going to this app. So, when your app or your game has already a lot of traffic, you want to integrate an ad network because with the help of the ad network, you will be able to display ads of advertisers within your app. Why should you do that? Because of the money. Depending on the ad network, you have different possibilities on how you will be getting paid if you get traffic to your app and if this traffic is seeing ads that are integrated in your app with the help of an ad network. This could either be when people see the ad, people click on the ad, or if people take an action like installing the app, meaning after they click on the ad. To sum it up, this is a very good option for publishers to advertise the traffic that they are getting to their app. But now, let's look at the other side of the business, the advertisers. The benefit for the advertisers is quite clear why they should be using an ad network, because it's more users. With the help of an ad network, they can place ads in different ad locations, so to say, of publishers' apps. That helps them attracting more eyeballs, helps them attracting more users as well as more players for their apps and their games. Because of this solid use case of connecting publishers with advertisers, you can imagine there are a lot of ad networks out there. Within our blog post, we summed up the most compelling ad networks that are currently out there that will give, on the one hand, the best benefits to the publishers, as well the best benefits to the advertisers. So click on the link in the description and check out our blog post about the different ad networks out there. In today's video, we talked about the topic ad networks, as well as the two players that are involved in ad networks, on the one hand the publishers and on the other hand the advertisers. If you would like to see more videos like this, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the notification bell so you will get the notification as soon as our next video is live, and keep optimizing.